With the SM-100 Smart Mixer, you can consistently mix solder paste and simultaneously test its fitness for use to ensure materials traceability and quality control. It will also prevent over and under mixing and provide insight on paste quality before printing to reduce setup times and prevent material waste. The mixer uses a smart lid that easily attaches to the original solder paste jar to actively measure the solder paste during the mixing process. Prior to mixing, allow the solder paste to reach room temperature. On the main screen, there will be two measurement options available: inspection and timed mixing. The inspection option will have inspections that have been pre-configured in Insituware's SPC web app Method QC. The timed mixing option will mix a solder paste jar for a specified amount of time. For this demo, we'll choose inspection. Select an inspection from the list. Then select the number of jars you will be mixing. The mixer allows for 2 jars of solder paste to be mixed at once. Please note, if you're only mixing 1 jar, be sure to place the included weight in the other empty slot in order to balance the mixer. Before starting the measurement, attach the smart lid on the original solder paste jar and place it inside the mixer. Close the top of the mixer and fasten the clasps on the front. Make sure the top is secure before proceeding. Select Start Measurement on the screen. If you're making an inspection measurement, the mixer will automatically stop when the smart lid senses that the solder paste is fit to be used. The smart lid measures the impedance magnitude, which represents the electrochemical reactivity of the material. There is typically a direct correlation between the impedance magnitude and the viscosity of the solder paste. When a paste is overmixed, it results in decreased viscosity, which can cause defects such as slumping. When undermixed, the paste has a higher viscosity, which can cause defects such as insufficient printing, poor tack, and skips. The mixer automatically stops mixing when the solder paste has reached an optimal range of mixing time, temperature, and when the impedance magnitude is consistent. The SM-100 Smart Mixer will ensure that your solder paste is properly and consistently mixed and fit for use before application on your SMT line.